with another one of these episodes of the Edible Plagues. And the next plague is plague number 6. And that is boils. Ew. So pretty much all the kids did was they took white frosting and they mixed up some food coloring in there to turn it into a tannish, brownish color, so it would look like flesh. Yeah. And so they did designs of their own on matzah. If you don't know what matzah is, it's called the bread of affliction, and that's what they ate actually when they left Egypt, because they didn't have enough time to actually turn it into bread. So it's this flat cake, and that's a big reason why we celebrate the Feast of Unleavened Bread. There's a whole bunch of spiritual connotations to that as well, that I don't have time to get into or explain, but we eat matzah for Passover. Everybody who celebrates Passover eats matzah. We haven't gotten as far as to make our own, but hopefully one of these days we do. I hear it's a whole lot tastier when you make your own matzah. So anyway, our kids made different designs on their matzah. Ariella went with a hand, and Ryan wanted to do a belly because they had boils everywhere, not just on their hands. And for the boils, we used strawberries. So obviously we like our strawberries, and they're red, so they seem to work out as looking like little nasty things that are growing that are not supposed to be there. You could use cherries. There's all sorts of things I'm sure you could use. Last year we used hot tamales. This year we wanted to use strawberries, so that's what we used.
So what you making, Ariel?
I'm attempting to make a hand out of frosting. I promise I can draw a lot better than this. I'm just not very good with frosting. It looks like a dinosaur hand. What the heck?
Well, as you can see, I'm good with the fire.
It does look like a dinosaur hand. Or an alien hand or something.
Now for the strawberries.
The fire took forever.
Strawberries? So what are you making now? What is this for?
This is for the boils.
For the boils. You're going to put strawberries on there? Here, hang on. So what are the strawberries?
There goes the blue. Okay. Strawberries are the actual boils. I'm going to do the smaller one.
There goes blue.
That's a really big boil.
Look at this one. It's gonna be a big one. I don't want to put the strawberries on the frosting.
So start putting it on there. Let's see what it looks like.
I don't want to put the strawberries on the frosting
Make sure the red side's up.
because I'm still gonna have frosting.
Okay.
We're still gonna be able to have frosting. I'm just gonna eat strawberries after. I'm not gonna eat the
We've got so much frosting.
All right, there's our edible plague of boils. I apologize. For whatever reason, I totally failed to get a happy picture of my oldest son. I don't know what I did, but I'm sad. So be sure to stay tuned. Again, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. That way you can continue to get updates on what our family is up to and what direction we're moving this ministry into. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next edible plague.